Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about TurboTax and Wealthsimple. Which among the two is actually better? Looking for the best way to file your taxes online? In the US, TurboTax leads the pack, but in Canada, Wealthsimple Tax is turning heads. So which one's better for you and your wallet? First, location matters. TurboTax is designed for US tax filers, while Wealthsimple Tax is built for Canadian residents. So if you're in Canada, this comparison is for you. If you're in the US, it's TurboTax all the way. Here's the headline. Wealthsimple Tax is 100% free, no upsells, no hidden fees. You can pay what you want, but there's no obligation. That's a game changer. TurboTax, on the other hand, starts free but gets expensive fast. Have investments, freelance income, or deductions, you're likely paying anywhere from $59 to over $100. Both platforms are clean and modern. TurboTax gives you a super smooth interview-style walkthrough with tons of tips and help built in. Wealthsimple Tax is fast and simple, with fewer frills but still user-friendly. It works best if you know your way around basic tax terms, perfect for tech-savvy Canadians who want speed and simplicity. TurboTax has a full menu, live expert help, audit defense, even full-service filing, but it costs extra. Wealthsimple Tax keep things lean. No live CPA chat, but it does support things like RRSPs, capital gains, and crypto, which is rare for free software. Support is via email, not instant but helpful. So which one's better? TurboTax wins on features, but you'll pay for them. Wealthsimple Tax wins on value, especially if you're a confident Canadian filer. In the end, it's about what you need more, full service comfort or maximum savings. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!